Okay, this is the analysis for Act 2, Scene 12. Now we can see Masonic symbols. Van Swieten, he's wearing his ritual apron over his sober clothes. At the same time, Mozart enters from the left. He too wears the apron. Van Swieten says, "This is not good, brother. The lodge was not created for you to beg from." Okay, referring to the fact that this organization has not been created for him to beg from. But Mozart says, "What else can I do? Give concerts as you used to do. I have no subscribers left, Baron. I am no longer fashionable," he says. Van Swieten says, "I am not surprised. You write tasteless comedies which give offense. I warned you often enough." Now humbly, Mozart says, "You did, I admit." He holds his stomach in pain. So Van Swieten says, "I will send you some fugues of Bach tomorrow. You can arrange those for my Sunday concert. You shall have a small fee." He's offering Mozart a small job in which he has to arrange some notes from Bach for Van Swieten's concert, and of course he will get some payment for that. But again, we could also hear again Mozart having his stomach cramps because of the fact that he was starving. Mozart thanks Van Swieten, and Mozart starts shouting, okay, "I cannot live by arranging Bach." Okay, he cannot earn a living by arranging notes. So Mozart says, "My brother Mazers virtually keep me now. Never mind, I will manage, you will see. Things are looking up already. I have had a marvelous proposal from Sketchnader, a new member of this lodge." Sketchnader, the actor? Yes, he owns a theater in the suburbs. "Yes, he wants me to write him a vaudeville, something for ordinary German people. Isn't that a wonderful idea? He has offered me half the receipts when we open." "Nothing in advance?" "He said he couldn't afford anything. I know it is not much of an offer, but a popular piece about brotherly love could celebrate everything we believe as Masons." "It's certainly good. Why don't you put the Masons into it?" This scene is very important because Mozart is now confessing Salieri that he has been asked to compose an opera that should deal with the topic of brotherly love. So Salieri suggests Mozart to put the Masons into it, of course knowing that if Mozart agrees, this will turn the Masons mad, okay, and will make the Masons get angry with Mozart, and they will stop providing that financial help, okay, because whatever they do in the Masons organization, it should be kept secret. It was a secret organization, and they never made their activities or their rituals public to the society. So if Mozart includes something in connection to the Masons, this will definitely make the Masons be against Mozart. Mozart says, "Into an opera? I couldn't." And Salieri laughs to indicate that he was simply making a joke. "Our rituals are secret, Wolfgang." He pretends to be making a joke, but of course he really meant what he said. Okay, he was really he really was trying to encourage Mozart to include something in connection to the Masons. And Mozart somehow agrees and says, "I needn't copy them exactly. I could adapt them a little." "Well, it would certainly be in a great cause. Brotherly love." Mozart says, "Yes, brotherly love. Take courage, Wolfgang. It is a glorious idea." So here we see that Salieri is encouraging Mozart to include that idea in his opera. And Salieri says, "Of course, say nothing till it's done. Not a word." And making a sign, close fist, "Secret, secret." "Good," Salieri says. And now to the audience, he confesses. And if that didn't finish him off with the Masons, nothing would. And this scene finishes with a picture, we can say, of the two contrasting apartments. Salieri's wonderful golden apartment full of golden furniture, showing how he has been prospering, especially now that he's first royal Kapellmeister in contrast to Mozart's very humble and poor apartment at a very poor place, okay, where he's living now, that he's living in a slum. So we know that this scene finishes with Mozart somehow accepting Salieri's idea to include the Masons into the opera.